Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today is the time to do something creative. So, today we will learn that how can we write a short story using verbs and adjectives. So, my dear students, what's a story? Yes, a story is a chain of events and experiences, whether they are true or fictitious. Stories teach and explain things, create emotions, and entertain us. We read two types of stories, fiction or non fiction. Fiction stories are made up from author's imagination and that are about non real people and events. These stories have beginning, middle, and end. Simply, we can say that fiction stories are not real or they are fake or imaginative. But the non fiction stories are based on real things and give information, explain, inform, and teach us. In non fiction stories, real people, animals, and places are involved. Here are some examples of fiction stories: Bella Gella, Hop and Chomp, which is P and which is Q, Super Duper Monty, and the Ant Thief. In all the stories, there are three basic elements or parts: beginning, middle, and end. In the beginning, we write about the characters and setting. Setting is the time and place where a story takes place. In the middle of the story, first of all, we write that how the events lead up to the main problem. Then the problem reaches at a high point. After that, the characters work to solve the problems. At the end, the problem resolves and the story ends. My dear students, do you remember the story? The Dragon Tree? Yes, there was a green, gigantic dragon who was very nasty and wanted Floppy for supper. But the children helped Floppy and the magic took them back home. On the same way, today we will try to write a story. And you will imagine that what will happen if you get a chance to spend a day with a dragon. For this purpose, you have to jot down all the main points on a loose sheet. You will imagine that how did you come across a dragon? Whether you were at a home or in the garden or at the backyard. And what were you doing at that time? Then you will write its main features. It means that how was the dragon looking? Whether it was an ugly dragon or a cute purple baby dragon. And don't forget to mention its details as well. After that, what will you after that you will tell about your feelings and explain that what did you do at that time? Where were your family members? And how did you spend your time with that dragon? At the end, you will write that when did he go back home? For this, here are some sentence starters. One day, a few days back, I was alone, or I went. My parents and family, I was. suddenly the door, or suddenly I saw. The dragon was. These sentence starters will help you to begin the story. Now let's discuss about some helping words. Market, shopping, party, doing work, studying, playing, knocked, huge, cute, flying dragon, frightened, scared, shocked, friendly, angry, broke, heavy, ate, spoiled, flew, into the clouds, and promised. Here I'll guide you about the homework. After writing day date homework, you will write the question. Write a story about the given topic. Then you will write the topic A Day with the Dragon. After that, you will divide the story in three chunks: beginning, middle, and end. In the beginning, you will write about three basic things: that where were you, what were you doing at that time, and how did you come across a dragon. In the second paragraph, or in the middle of the story, you will describe the physical appearance of the dragon. And after that, how did you react to see it? How did you spend your time with it? Also write the problems that you faced. At the end, or in the third paragraph, you will write that when did the dragon go back home and how did you feel? You will do this work in your creative writing notebook, and if your creative writing notebook is finished, you will do this work on a loose sheet. Thanks for watching the video. Stay blessed.